In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma app Gamma I. Start by opening your browser and heading to gamma.app. If you're new, create an account. If you already have one, log in. Once you're in your workspace, click Create New to begin a fresh project. From the creation options, choose Generate with AI, and if you're prompted to pick a format, select Website or Web Page. Gamma isn't just for slides, it can generate a full scrollable web page, which is perfect for quick sites, landing pages, and portfolios. Next, you'll see a prompt box. Type a clear description of the website you want. For example, you might say, create a landing page for a digital marketing agency, portfolio website for a virtual assistant, or sales page for an online course. The more specific you are about your audience, services, tone, and any must-have sections, the better your first draft will be. Before generating, dial in the settings. Choose a tone or style, professional, modern, or minimal. Set the length to short, medium, or long, and pick a theme that fits your brand. These choices shape the voice, density, and look of your site. When you're happy with the setup, click Generate and let Gamma do its thing. Gamma will build a draft that typically includes a hero section, about, services, and a clear call to action, along with suggested text and a clean layout. Scroll through the entire page to review the structure and flow. To make it yours, click directly into any section to edit. Update headlines and body copy, add or delete sections, and rearrange the order to match your priorities. Keep your headlines short and benefit focused, and make sure the details reflect your offerings accurately. Now refine the design. Adjust colors and fonts to align with your brand. Add images, videos, or icons to bring the page to life, and tweak spacing and layout to improve readability. Consistency matters. Use the same styles for headings, buttons, and links across the page for a polished look. If you need more content, click plus add card to insert additional sections like testimonials, pricing, a contact area, or FAQs. This helps answer common questions and builds trust. Finally, wire up your calls to action. Edit button text like book now or get started, and add links to your social profiles, booking pages, or product and service pages. Test each link to ensure it works. When everything looks good, click share or publish, generate a live link, and share it with your audience. No coding required. You can come back anytime to update and republish as your needs evolve.